So in the cab of our Case IH Patriot 4440 sprayer, we actually are going to have two displays set up, which we'll show you. The sprayer came originally with a Pro 700 display that did rate control and section control along with controlling the guidance. The customer, however, wanted the CropSpec device to do his nitrogen management on his sprayer, as they use Y drops on the sprayer to apply nitrogen into their corn. We looked at putting an X25 in this machine, and we figured out that we could actually control the 4440's ISO spraying system with our X25 and use the CropSpec to send a rate to that sprayer control via peer-to-peer. So we're able to actually run the sprayer and the CropSpec on the same display at once. Looking forward in the future, we're going to look to get the Pro 700 removed and do the guidance on the sprayer as well, but we're going to take one step here at a time. So as you can see on our X25 display, we have our main screen for our rate and pressure for our sprayer. I will flip the master switch on, and you can see that our sprayer will actually turn on and turn off. We have our CropSpec down in the lower left corner, and then that CropSpec rate will be actually set to our sprayer to control the rate of the machine based on the algorithm in the CropSpec for the correct amount of nitrogen applied to that crop. We also can look at the other functions of the sprayer via the ISO. We want to look at some of the boom sections here. We can look at them. We can look at the auto fold status of them, of the potentiometers. We can look at our auto boom sections. We can look at our auxiliary inputs if we had any. So we're fully equipped to look and control this sprayer through the Topcon display. So that's a great option you have for Topcon, is to communicate with the new, I believe it's the 2017 newer Patriot sprayers that are running this ISOCAN spraying system, and we can control them and monitor them. On the roof of our 4440 Patriot sprayer, we have our CropSpec sensors, one on each side of the roof. This is our universal mounting bracket. We've mounted the bracket on the back of the roof. It bolted up very nicely. The CropSpecs hang off and they look at the view of the crop coming off the side. The reason that they run off the side of the cab is the CropSpec has the ability to actually look down within the canopy and look at the whole plant and not just the upper layer of the canopy as most crop sensing sensors do.